So Punjab Kings did what was in their hands. They defeated Lucknow Super Giants. They are now sitting with 15 points in the points table, and now will be hoping that both Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders in the evening lose their respective games and allow Punjab Kings to qualify for the playoffs despite a dismal second half of the tournament. They wanted a very important 2 points to push them towards that top four spot. Now they did their job yesterday by defeating Lucknow Super Giants, which was missing a Mitch Marsh, which was missing a Aiden Markram. So that came as a perfect opportunity for Lucknow Super Giants to go for Punjab Kings to go on and seal those two spots which they were craving for the last 6 matches, where they just faced defeats and defeats. Devashish, now the equation is simple for Rajasthan Royals. If they win today's game, they are through to the playoffs. No Punjab Kings, no Kolkata Knight Riders can touch them at 16 points. But for Kolkata Knight Riders, it has become extremely difficult to catch Punjab Kings' net run rate. Of course, there's an equation. They can still go on to qualify for the playoffs, but that will require them to win by a huge margin, which is almost unlikely, as we saw in the game between RCB and SRH. Now that Punjab Kings are on 15 points, yes, Rajasthan Royals have that advantage of winning the game and crushing all the dreams. But for KKR, things are looking very difficult. What do you have to say?
Yeah, absolutely. You hit the nail on the head. I think if Rajasthan Royals wins the match against Mumbai Indians, means obviously the chances of KKR and Punjab Kings are all literally gone. But I think if Rajasthan Royals, see, in KKR strange things happens. Means if Rajasthan Royals loses the game, I think KKR will have that motivation. All they have to go out there is to just go out there and express themselves. All they have to do is to not just win the game, but win it in a bigger margin. But the best part is that, Shubhayan, if Rajasthan Royals loses, they have a fair idea as to what they need to do.
Yes.
Whether they need to chase the total in certain number of overs, or they need to restrict Delhi Capitals for certain runs. I think we'll see. Obviously, their campaign since that mid-season has just taken off. 6 wins out of 7, and they might just go on to make it 7 out of 8. So I think KKR, the way they displayed in the last few matches, all they have to do is to have that belief. Means Abhishek Nair, means you asked him about Rajasthan Delhi KKR's chances, and he did say that, yeah, it's about the self-belief, the way everyone chipped in. Means it's about taking responsibility, and that is what the KKR players showed in their campaign so far.
Absolutely, and it's going to be pretty interesting given that Punjab Kings have have a very good net run rate. They are comfortably sitting on 15 points, and for Punjab Kings, I think the one thing they will be wishing is a defeat to Rajasthan Royals against Mumbai Indians. They would want that star-studded Mumbai Indians lineup to turn up with all forces and defeat Rajasthan Royals, because right now things are on Rajasthan Royals' hands. If they win, everything is done for both the teams. Neither Punjab Kings nor Kolkata Knight Riders can qualify. But looking at the scenario, Devashish, the Rajasthan Royals versus Mumbai Indians, which team are you backing? Of course, Mumbai Indians look like a disjointed side. They are not doing well. They were pretty much everyone's pre-tournament favourites to win the IPL, but things have gone completely opposite, completely contrasting to what was expected to them. But Rajasthan Royals, heavily dependent on a 15-year-old boy, again will be focusing or hoping that the 15-year-old boy fires all cylinders.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you ask me, obviously being a hardcore loyal KKR fan, I just want Vaibhav Suryavanshi to play yet another great innings and helping Rajasthan Royals to seal that place in the playoffs. Means obviously, but if you ask me, Mumbai Indians, their campaign has been what you say. Their campaign has not clicked. So I think here lies a great opportunity for Rajasthan Royals, especially the likes of Yashasvi Jaiswal, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, even their fast bowlers. Means Rayyan Parag has been tremendous. Obviously, Dhruv Jurel and the entire squad. I think so. Rajasthan Royals will have the motivation against the Mumbai Indians, who has not looked to be the team they have been known for, 5 times champions. I think See, it's again means boils down to Rajasthan. Means time and again you are focusing on that particular match. That's an afternoon game between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. If Rajasthan Royals win, means both KKR and Punjab Kings will lose an opportunity. But they themselves have to be blamed. Means KKR and Punjab Kings had themselves. to be
Punjab
blamed.
Kings is second half, KKR's first half.
Exactly. You summed it up nicely. So let's wait and watch. Obviously, both the teams will be glued to the TV sets and they will be watching closely how how Mumbai Indians, I would say, how Mumbai Indians perform. Means they would like to win it at home in front of the home crowds. Remember, there are as many as 20,000 children who would be at the Wankhede just to show support for Rohit Sharma, the likes of Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Jasprit Bumrah. So, literally, both of us would want Mumbai Indians to win it there to the final match.
So that it goes down to the very last match of the league phase to decide who the fourth team is. Of course, Kolkata Knight Riders will have to dominate the game against Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals are another side who were very good on paper but could not put out performances after performances on the ground. So for Kolkata Knight Riders, they have a glorious opportunity in case Rajasthan Royals lose their match. Of course, if they win, it's all done. But in case things fall in place for Kolkata Knight Riders, then they will have to go and hope that, from Finn Allen, he replicates his century from the T20 World Cup, or from this IPL itself. They would want the best of Sunil Narayan, Varun Chakravarti, everyone to come and put up a performance, a collective performance to help Kolkata Knight Riders script one of the biggest or one of the greatest comebacks of all time. Winless in the first half of the tournament after 7 matches, and of course in the second half, they just lost only one game against RCB in Raipur, only game where Varun Chakravarti missed out due to his injury. So,
But there's an update on Varun Chakravarti, obviously, and the best thing for KKR is that in the practice session yesterday, he did bowl for 20 minutes, which was not the case before the last game. He hardly bowled for 10-12 deliveries. But Varun Chakravarti, it means obviously Abhishek Nair yesterday in the pre-match press conference spoke highly about Varun Chakravarti's commitment for the franchise, and obviously both Sunil Narine and Varun Chakravarti. But the thorn in the place will be KL Rahul, given the form he has been for Delhi Capitals. Subayan?
absolutely, KL Rahul will be crucial. They have 2 local boys in Abhishek Porel and Mukesh Kumar. Mitchell Stark has played for Kolkata Knight Riders, so they all know the conditions here. So that would be pretty interesting to see. But Delhi Capitals are a defeatable side in my opinion. If you get KL Rahul out early, if you get Abhishek Porel out early, then you have a very good advantage of going and putting pressure on Delhi Capitals. So a lot will ride on how Sunil Narayan goes about his business. He has been fantastic in this tournament so far. A very underrated player. No one is talking about Sunil Narayan, but his economy is just above 6. Under 6.5. He has picked up wickets in double digits. So everything will depend on how Sunil Narayan and Varun Chakravarti does. But again, Rajasthan Royals is one game which keeps coming on my mind. Let us know what you think. Which team will qualify, considering Punjab Kings won their match yesterday? Rajasthan Royals, Kolkata Knight Riders. Which team are you backing to go on and be the 4th team to qualify for the playoffs? Let us know in the comment section, and subscribe to Rev Sports for more. Thank you so much.